Hello everyone, this is a quick demonstration how to install the EdBot software and also the Thonny software. So you need to go to this website and download the software. The software is not free. You need to buy your product key. If you're in Europe and you can buy from the UK, then US, you can go to robotics.us and you can order it from here too. Make sure you order the right one because the EdBot Dream and it's EdBot Regular, which is for the mini. You also need to go to thonny.org. I use this IDE, very simple, but it worked good. I'm also using the current 3.12 here. So once you buy the software, they will give you some kind of key. And then you can install your software. Like I'm using, this is the current software here, so this is what I'm using. Okay, so just install as usual. Yes. Just erase it. Finish. In. So once it goes in first, kind of blank. So you need to make sure you have your robot with the BD210 on. And go to those setup. So these are all the Bluetooth I hook up to my PC right now. I happen to be using this port, this Bluetooth BT210 here. So I go into configure, and then you need to enter your key that you paid for. So I'm going to pause here, putting my key, and then we'll go on, okay? Okay, so I activate it, and we'll go to this screen here. And like for example, so I'm going to name my robot Zip. You can see I recognize an EdBot Dream, so CM150. You want to click on bypass active user so that you can use Thonny later. And then this speech go, you have David or 0. And you can test it out, for example.
See.
That's what they say. Okay, so we'll click OK. We're good now. In setting, make sure it's port 8080. You can change it later, but right now I think it had to be on there. And that's it. Apply. And then what it does, it will say you want to generate, yeah. It's okay. So generate all the example code. You can see them here. Okay, so you see now it's connected, and because I had it on, you see Zip is connected. Installing Thonny is also very straightforward. So you download it, and you got the exe. Oh, I accept. And install. I'm going to create a desktop icon. Next. Install. Okay, it's finished. Out of the way. So Thonny come up, and then you can go to Tools, Manage Packages. This is from leftover from all the previous ones. Okay, so this is by default. We have all these things already. So like for example, I want to have the EdBot. So just say EdBot. Found it. Install. That's it. It's done. So you want a Pi game. Install it. And then we also have open CV Python. There we go. Install. This one have quite a few packages, so it takes some longer time here. So you see it's open NumPy and open CV Python also.